Alright, I'm in my 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. I'm going to go to Apps, Settings, System Information. There you can see 14.25.5. Okay, and I'm going to go to Media, Auxiliary. I'm going to crank up the volume. And what we have is static noise. You can hear that. Now I'm going to plug in this 3.5 millimeter jack. So you see my hand right there. Now watch, I'm going to put the phone here. As soon as I plug it in, it's gone. Now, see the volume is all the way up. It's on aux. Just show you again. Now I'm going to play some music. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. Play some music. No static. Play. Pause. No static. I guess I got lucky with my Jeep because I have no static when the plug is plugged into the jack.